my beloved. How are you doing today? How is your world doing? Are you totally living your best life today? Today is really your day, that you can just blossom to the fullest, that you can be who you truly are from inside out. So be who you truly are. And today we are reading together Reality Transurfing in 70-80 Days by Vadim Zeland. That's the practical course in Reality Transurfing. And today we have day 49, Extigushing a pendulum. So, when we receive bad news or when we are in a situation that is not wanted, we have to act differently. We have to be differently. If we feel fear, if we would normally feel fear, we can feel this self-confidence. If we feel, I don't know, that we are not in peace, that we feel peace. If we feel that we are just pushed down, that we are full of enthusiasm and who we truly are. When you are in situation, just act differently, unexpected, that your life can change to good. Do something that is really not expected. If you are in unpleasant situation or in unpleasant circumstances, you are losing your balance. You are thrown off your balance, and you can do or come into balance back, that you just do something unnatural, something that is abnormal, not normal at all. Just do something, just that is expected, or that pendulum expected from you, and you are going to win. If you are feeling this inner unsatisfaction, then it's going to become bigger and bigger and bigger. So they are going to become new bad news and bad circumstances. But you have to live your life your way. When you are doing something unexpected, then you are just balancing this pendulum in the center, in the point that is no longer fitted with your energy, with your upset, with your anger, with your sadness, your just that you are in bad mood. When you are in interesting situations, you ought to worry, be afraid, run away, lose heart, express your dissatisfaction. No, just do the opposite. Offer abnormal response. Replace fear with confidence, sadness with enthusiasm, intrigation with indifference. Just do something different, unexpected, and this resonance with pendulum will just disappear like nothing. So my loves, have a beautiful day and do really who you are. Be really who you are with all your heart. You totally deserve to be happy. You totally deserve that you are who you are. You are the most beautiful, just the way you are. Follow your bliss, as Joseph Campbell said. Follow your heart and just do more what really makes you happy. And listen to your heart. Have a beautiful day. Bye.